Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Lego puzzle box that I built. What you want to do for the objective is to get this red, yellow, blue, black flat, and this black bottom piece out. It is a little difficult, I'll tell you that right now, but as long as you know how to do it, it's pretty simple. So I'll give you So you can't pull this out, you can't push this in, you can't pull this out. So the first step is to take this piece and put it right between the white and the blue piece. So right in here. Nice hand shot. And just push. So what that does is if I go like this, you can see as I push, pops out that piece there. So then take that back, take this back. You won't need this piece anymore. So as you can see, I'll do another. So now we have a little hole there. So the next step is to pull out this piece. And now the little door up here will come out. But that's not what you want. You want, so let me put that back in, you want this piece here. So how that goes is you need the green piece again. Push in right here. And while you're pushing with the green piece, pull out on the handle. So now you have the black, blue, red, yellow, and black piece. So I'll kind of explain how it works. So the last step requires these three pieces. When it's in the box, right over here, this bar will lock this in place so it can't fall out. But then it will slide into here, so then you can pull it out. Because as you see, when it's in here, it's flush, so you can't pull it out. So now how this piece is locked in place is, it's in here, a little hole right there. Will lock in right here to the, right about here to the bar. So then it can't be pulled out. And then to lock this piece in place, we have this piece, which will slide right here and will stop it from coming out. And then if I put the pieces in, push it in, put this in, this will lock this, and this will lock this. So how do you put it together, you might ask? Well, it's pretty simple. Put this piece and this piece in. Slide your little bar in the side here until it's flush. Take this piece, slide it in here. And it only goes in one way. If you try and put it in the other way, it will stop it. So slide it in. And then put this piece in. And then you have this piece, which will go right in here, right in there. Just like that. And then you just have this piece left. So yeah, that's my Lego puzzle box. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed.